Founder of Cuddle Sanctuary, the MVP of PDA, it's Cuddle Queen Jean Franzblau.
That happens at the Cuddle Sanctuary?
Yeah, we're friends. Somebody.
Professional cuddler.
Founder of the Cuddle Sanctuary, Jean Franzblau.
Hello, straight, and together. There you go. You're gonna hug your buddy with all of your limbs.
You want him? I want to be in the back.
It's gonna be great for you. Hugging the pretzel, ladies and gentlemen. Is it comfortable?
It takes some getting used to.
So tell me about Cuddle Sanctuary.
Cuddle Sanctuary is a social experience that welcomes healthy human touch.
People, when they think of this, they immediately go to like there's a creepy quality to it. And what I observe as somebody providing this service are people hungry to receive touch. It lowers stress, it helps you sleep better, it affects heart health, so cardiovascular health.
Yeah, it lowers cortisol levels, and it also increases oxytocin, which helps you feel relaxed, chilled out. The next option that you have for paired practice is called companioning.
You mind if I check my email, bro?
We call it companioning.
This is called companion?
Yeah.
To the cuddle zone.
We go inside with the lady behind the Cuddle Sanctuary.
Cuddle Sanctuary etiquette. May I sit closer to you?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
You probably remember Jean. She is a friend of the show because she taught us how to cuddle.
Yes.
Human healthy touch is welcome, never required.
I've looked at the pictures, I've looked at pricing, I've looked at guidelines. It doesn't look sexually provocative at all. Why not?
We have meticulous guidelines of what we wear, behavior, conversation, because we're trying so hard to distinguish ourselves from services where a client might be confused.
I seriously get what you're saying now.
I'm probably gonna hug everybody.
You can't. We practice saying no. I'm gonna ask to touch your arm. I need you to say no thank you to me. May I touch your arm?
No, thank you.
Mother.